I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now search and select Mailchimp from the actions. Here you can set the integration name of your preference. Here you have to set the client ID and client secret. To get a new client ID and client secret, go to Mailchimp API console. Then click on the Register App button. Now give an app name as your preference. Now go to the integration setting. Copy the homepage URL and paste it here. And copy the authorized redirect URIs and paste them here. Then click on the Create button. After successfully registering the app, copy the client ID client secret and paste it into the integration setting. Then click the authorization button. Authorization successful. Then click on the Next button. Select your audience list from the drop-down option. You can add a tag, also multiple tags for the contacts that you have created before on your Mailchimp account as per your requirement. Now map the field. You can also add address fields to Mailchimp's audience by checking this option. Double opt-in action. By enabling the double opt-in action, admin can ask permission from users if they want to subscribe to Mailchimp or not. You can update the Mailchimp field in the existing contact checked on Update Mailchimp. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mailchimp. Then click on the Next button. Finally, to save the integration process, click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Open your Mailchimp account to check whether the data is sent to your Mailchimp account. Thanks for watching.